Do you suffer with bruxism? Do you know what that is? It's headaches caused by clenching. So if you palpate the meaty part here on the temples, you can feel that it's quite sensitive. Usually it feels like it's bruised. You can do things like massaging them down towards your jaw. That'll help release them. Chiro is great for this stuff. There are internal muscles which are really tricky to get to, but if you can release those, it takes the jaw off the ball and really can help with the headaches. The big one is adjusting the neck because it just relaxes everything. It can help you stop clenching your jaw. If you've got the problem, it's worth an assessment. See a chiro.